Do this work immediately after eating food. Many habits after eating food can have a bad effect on health. Sometimes it can also be risky for health. Therefore, after eating these things should never be forgotten. If you want to stay fit, then you should take full care of your diet and fitness. The more disciplined your diet is for health, the more healthy you will be. If you are careless in your diet, then many types of problems can come in your body. That's why it is important that what you should eat, what not to eat, when to eat, and how much. Along with this, 8 things should never be done even after eating. 1. Don't sleep, don't take a nap. One should avoid sleeping after eating food. If you want to rest after eating food, then you should never sleep. Not only this, one should not even take a nap. This can affect the digestive system and cause severe irritation. 2. Avoid exercise. Never exercise after eating food. This can spoil the digestion. Doing so may cause complaints of nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain. Therefore, exercise should be avoided. It can also cause acid reflux. 3. Don't eat fruit. Fruits should not be eaten after a meal. According to health experts, if one eats fruits after a meal, the food can reduce the absorption of nutrients. This can cause many problems to the body. 4. Avoid leaning forward. Never do any such work after eating food, in which one has to lean forward. Everyone should avoid such activities. Leaning forward can harm the acid working in the digestive system. 5. Do not drink tea or coffee. Phenolic compounds are found in tea or coffee. If you consume tea or coffee after a meal, then it acts as an obstacle in the absorption of nutrients like iron present in the nutritious diet. This can be quite harmful. 6. Avoid taking a bath after having a meal. If you ever feel like taking a bath after eating, then avoid it. Actually, after a meal, blood surrounds the stomach to help with digestion, but when you take a bath, the temperature of the body changes. It is quite harmful. It can be risky for health. 7. Avoid drinking water. Whenever you eat food, try that you do not have to drink too much water. Water weakens the digestive system. Drinking a lot of water dilutes the stomach acid and worsens the digestion process. Therefore, drinking water should be avoided. 8. Not drink alcohol. Neither alcohol nor cigarettes should be drunk after eating food. This can cause great harm to health. If you do this after a meal, then serious health hazards can arise. So always try to avoid these 8 things after eating. So friend, if you found this video a little informative, then definitely like this video and subscribe to the channel.